Is on the mound, and he takes over in the fifth inning. All of that happened in the second. It's 4-1 Tacoma. As the pitch is a strike, and now 2-1. 13 runs, 11 of them earned on 10 hits in 4 innings. As that pitch is outside. 3-1 on the way, and a strike on the inside, and it's going to be challenged by Bliss. Let's see. Here's the animation. And it was a strike. So 3 balls and 2. I believe Tacoma might be down to 1 challenge. As that is ball 4. 95 on the fastball. And Bliss draws the walk here in the PCL thus far. Runner goes. The pitch is a strike. The throw down from Reitz is not going to be handled by Luciano. I'm not sure it would have been in time. The 0-1 is up and away. 1 ball and the 1-1 is low and in, and now 2-1. 2-1 is a strike at the knee. 2-2, a swing and a miss, and Tang tied him up inside. 86 on that pitch, in on the hands, and Marlowe strikes out. Here's the pitch to Chavis, and a swing and a miss. Despite what's happened here the first 2 games back. Here's the 0-1. Bliss takes off for third, and the pitch will miss outside. Reitz's throw had no shot. So that draws the infield in, and Chavis takes his 4th. As the 1-2 is low and away. The 2-2. Swing and a fly ball to right center field. This will be deep enough to get him in as Matos angles back to his left and makes the catch. Tagging from third, scoring is Bliss. And Ryan Bliss making that run possible on his own. He drew force play in the 3rd. Pitch. And Vossler takes inside. The 1-0. A swing and a pop-up. And this is into that twilight sky. Going out is VR. Coming in is Diaz. And the left fielder Diaz makes the catch coming forward. And that ends Ryan Anderson in from the right side. And Tacoma with a 5-1 lead in the 6th. He swings to the first pitch and hits one to the first baseman, Brooks. It looks like there was some topspin on it. And here's the pitch, and it is outside and park. Darkness has fallen here in Northern California. That pitch is outside. You covered on the radio side. 2-0, and it's outside. We go on Tuesday for a 6-game series with the Bees. The 3-0 taken for a strike. Salt Lake Wednesday and Thursday. 3-1. And a swing and a foul back. Payoff pitch. Outside, he walked him. Tang overcooked a 92-mile-an-hour fastball there. So Taylor walks, and Isaiah Gilliam coming up. If you're craving a juicy steak dinner in Sacramento, look. Throw to first, and safe at first is Taylor. That was close. Throw to first, and safe again is Taylor, and Brooks thought he had him, and Brooks can't believe it. He started to send it around the horn, and Casey Schmidt couldn't believe it either. I thought they had him that time. Let's see on the replay. I was feeling for the tag, and it was close. Runner goes, the pitch is strike, and Reitz's throw to second is not going to get him. Looked like Taylor overslid the bag, and then Luciano went back and tried to apply the tag, but couldn't get it on in time. So again, Tacoma's charmed life continues tonight on the base paths. Taylor just came off the bag, but was able to crawl back on in time as Reitz takes that. Taylor may have been picked off at first there. A turn to throw to second, and again the ball glances off the glove of Luciano. This time it stays on the infield. It's the second time that the ball has caromed off the glove of Marco Luciano there. Throw to second, and now they have him in a rundown as a throw to the third baseman. gets him, and VR applies the tag. 1-6-5 on the pickoff caught stealing. On the pickoff caught stealing. One is the 2-1. Swing and a miss, and now 2-2, 92 on the 2-2 is down and in, and payoff pitch, and a swing and a ground ball pulled foul off the facing of the first base dugout since some of those. 3-2 coming. Swing and a foul back, 93. Tang with a 3-2 pitch, and it is strike 3 called, and that was a breaking ball right on the middle of the plate, and that ends the inning. So Gilliam is rung up for the first time, and for Kaiway.
Best hotel and casino in Amador, 3 years running. Let's go.
By the top of the order, Jonathan Clase and Ryan Bliss. Kaiway Tang sitting in the Tacoma bullpen. The 1-1 is low and in, and now 2-1. Swinging a ground ball to the left side, backhanded deep in the hole by Luciano. A long throw and picked out on the back end by Brooks. VR creeping in. Clase takes up and away. Ball. The 1-0. Up and away, and now 2 balls, 4th inning. The 2-0. Swinging a foul back, and now 2-1 is in for a strike. So 9-6. 2-2. And a swing and a miss. Family and future generations of yours. Learn more at BogleWinery.com. 0-1. Up and in. 1-1 on the way. Is out. It's been really hot. 2-1. A swing and a liner softly into center field, and a base hit. That was past him out. I think he got toward the end of the bat, but found the perfect spot on the infield. Up by 3 games in the West. A throw to first, and diving back goes Bliss, but pitch, runner goes, and a swing and a drive to right. This is a rope. Pinder's going to chase it all the way to the base of the wall where it caroms. Pinder digs it out, throws to Schmidt, and Schmidt will bluff the throw home as Bliss, with a ton of speed, scores. So here's Chavis, who swings and lifts a fly ball to shallow center, creeping in into his left, Matos, and he makes the catch that ends the inning. But Tacoma gets 1 run